northeastern states will fulfill the vision of minimum government, maximum governance and boost transparency and citizen-centric delivery mechanism. Addressing a webinar attended by Chief Ministers and Information Technology Ministers for the Northeastern region, Singh said computerization of government work is a cardinal pillar of Digital India and 55 central government ministries have implemented the project. He assured all technical and financial support for the project implementation from Civil Secretariat to the district level in all the states. Sikkim has decided to reopen educational institutions in the first week of August. The decision was taken following a meeting of the State Task Force chaired by Sikkim Chief Minister P.S. Tamang. Earlier educational institutions in Sikkim were scheduled to open on the 1st of July. The deferral is due to the recent rise in cases of COVID-19 in the state, which currently has 24 active cases. Meanwhile, examinations on some subjects of the CBSE are scheduled in July. These examinations will be conducted in all senior secondary schools in Sikkim. In Meghalaya, the Officers Club of Southwest Khasi Hills District and Mawkyrwat village condemned the burning of a vehicle of the district social welfare officer at Mawkyrwat market on Thursday. In a statement issued to the media, the Officers Club expressed regret over the incident that took place despite the hard work provided by the officers to protect the local people from the spread of coronavirus. Condemning the incident, Mawkyrwat Village Council, local youth body, women organization and village defense party said the incident has tarnished the image of Mawkyrwat village. In Meghalaya, a COVID-19 positive woman delivered a healthy baby boy successfully yesterday at Negram's Shillong. Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Haque informed that both the mother and the newborn are in good health. He said retesting of the mother will be done after 14 days quarantine in the hospital, and the sample of the newborn will also be taken to test for COVID-19. It may be mentioned that the woman is a returnee from Delhi who had earlier tested negative for COVID-19 and was under home quarantine. It was only when she had gone to Negram's due to labor pain where she was retested and came out positive for the disease. 2 more persons have tested positive for COVID-19 in Mizoram, taking the total tally in the state to 104. Both of them recently returned to the state from other parts of the country. Of the 176 samples examined on Thursday, the 2 persons were diagnosed with the disease. One of them is a resident from Aizawl and the other of Sahia district. Police resorted to mild baton charge to disperse a crowd which blocked a road to protest the damage to a Shiva temple in Assam's Hailkandi district by unidentified persons, an officer said. A police team led by Additional Superintendent of Police Kulendranath Deka rushed to Singhala tea estate when a large number of local people blocked the road to protest the damage to the temple on Thursday night, which came to light yesterday morning. Police had to resort to mild lathi charge to disperse the agitated people, the officer said. Hailkandi P Deputy Commissioner Meghnidhi Dahal said 1 person has been arrested so far. Local youths under the influence of alcohol were responsible for the incident, and it is not a communal issue. 3 candidates are left in the fray for election to the lone Rajya Sabha seat in Mizoram at the end of the last date for withdrawal of candidature yesterday. State Assembly Commissioner and Secretary H. Lalrin Nauma told that none of the contesting candidates from the ruling Mizo National Front, opposition parties, the Congress and Mizoram People's Movement have withdrawn their nomination. Election to the only Rajya Sabha seat in Mizoram will be held simultaneously with other states on the 19th of this month. Counting will be held from 5 p.m. the same day. The ruling MNF has fielded former party youth wing President K. Valin Vena against main opposition ZPM nominee B. Lalchan Zwa and Congress candidate Dr. Lalyan Chwanga. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.